Niin, moi Toni, mitä kuuluu? On tämä auto paska.
Kaikki Subarut on paska.
And Tony is trying to fix gasoline smell in his car. Is that correct?
Yes.
Would it be correct to say so? He's gonna stay anonymous. He just has a Mighty Car Mode shirt on. That's how you know him on the street. Now there's another patient on the driveway. Accidentally my favorite body style of Subaru ever, but GC8 is still my favorite generation.
It's still hot from driving, so there's pressure inside.
That's almost what she said. Here it is, the world famous Nürburgring and the world famous driving Jesus. Okay, go speak to the people.
Jonas,
And how?
does the AC work?
No.
Okay, then I'm not driving with you.
And how do you know it's the Nürburgring? The stuff like that. But this is my stuff, and that's the most important stuff. We're just heading out. Maybe I can get my oil change and brake lines sorted and stuff, and then I can go for a lap without fearing much else besides the tires that I have, which are kind of shitty. But can take a cool lap, do a cool lap. Is a cool lap, whatever, I'll move because there's other guys in the next car. Got my car taken in for an oil change, and I think I'm gonna get my braided brake lines and fluid fitted. And guys just came to Reve, the best store in the world, to buy some of this shit and some beers. So I'm just waiting for my car to get done, and then I'm mobile and on the move again.
250.
No nii, Toni, mikä nyt sinä mõtlemasta BMW eesta, this BMW?
Stands life.
Sure is. I just can't get over the cool landscape of this region. Like, there's a bump there, another bump in the background, and this shit is on the hill. Yeah, awesome, love it. Oh brother, where art thou?
In constant sorrow all through his days.
My Danish Honda brother, but I'm here, and hopefully car will be prepped for TF, and hopefully I will get through that lap all good. Shit, look at this setup. That's fucking mint, boys. I got live data. I got a GoPro here, and I will have a GoPro there. Whoo-wee! I'm a professional, people. Don't try this at home. Just setting up the GoPro for maximum good settings. I'll try to. Oh, sorry. Alright, I'm in a fucking hurry. Gotta move. There should be one lap on it, as far as I understand. No? Oh, come on. Juha Kanvi, no lap. It's empty.
This one has a lap.
Yeah, thanks. This should work. Come on. Oh, it's okay, yeah. Okay guys, this is it. Let's go for a lap. I just got this Honda from the UK, but we can hit a little VTEC on the main straight. So let's go. The gears aren't shifting as well as I would like to. Another dab of brakes into third. Good, 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 good. Not really going ham tires. Oh, he went on the curb hard there. Go, Honda, go. Go, Honda, go. 6th gear. Over the crest here, on the brakes. I don't want to scare myself into crashing. Ooh, the compression on the brakes hard. Let's cut the curb. 8,000 RPM almost. Let the VTEC sing, although it's a nasty noise. 8 kilometers in, we're doing good. The tires are fairly good, I'm surprised. Come on, VTEC, let's find you. It's a fast BMW coming. I see you, Mr. BMW, I'm gonna let you by. You do your thing, I'm gonna do mine. Let's jump in to the carousel. Have the good line out. Couldn't wave to the photographer lady, but whatever. Taking it easy doesn't mean I can't demand a little bit of power from the engine now, does it? Just let the crazy crazy GTR guy go. I need some actual track knowledge, not the in-game track knowledge that I have. Let the song of my people sing. 8,000 RPM, let's go! And that's the so-called finish line. Ooh-wee. The tires are way better than I expected. Like, I was afraid of the tires, but the tires are fine. Yeah, but the gears don't wanna go in good at all. But yeah, here's a little test drive video of this car. So, just bought it 2008 Honda Civic Type R that I just got, that I just lapped on the ring. So either do it yourself or pay the money to me. Capturing history.
Why?
Because I love it, you know.
I don't.
We told him to go away.
And Tony was here too.
No.
Leave us alone, won't we?
Would you turn me on,
You dropped a bomb on me, baby. You dropped a bomb on me.